Hey guys, it's Nikki here with Nikki's Outdoor Adventures, and I am here with Dee. And we are going to try and catch us some bait to take to the river tomorrow. So let's see what we can catch. Alright guys, I got my little dock demon and I got my little crawdad. So let's try and catch something. Guys, we're back and we moved from the church down here to my normal spot because I wasn't catching anything up there. So let's see what we can catch here. Better freshen up my worm, guys.
It's a worm fresh.
Freshen up the worm. We're on a minnow hunt.
Where's the can of corn?
Yeah, somebody's down here fishing with can of corn.
Hunting for deer.
No, not with canned corn.
Yeah, just leave them out. They'll come smell me. They're gonna shoot them right off the thing. They've been eating it too.
Never know what these people around here do.
There's a house right here behind us.
I know it. There's a couple right up there. Right over there's the O road.
It is.
Got one. Got one. Ooh, ooh. All right. The start of our minnows, guys. Ooh, ooh.
See, well, a lot of people don't really know the junkyard is behind Old Kentucky 11.
Ow. What are you talking about?
Like on top behind David McCarty's on top of the hill. See, that is how it connects to Willoughby Town, our family, Willoughby.
Yeah, I know.
But the pipeline runs right between.
Will you hand me that Red Bull out of the four-wheeler?
Yep.
Come on.
See, I'm young, but you're younger. Our family.
Got it. Right, number two. Number two. Look there. Looky there. They're not as big as I've used to catching down here, but they're still good size. Can't complain. Get in there, little feller. Can't complain at all.
White cut lease is a good cut out.
Thank you.
Yeah, and then
Got him. Number three. Burning them up here, guys.
this is a hot spot.
It is. All right. Number three. All right. Get in there, little fella. You all don't fight.
We're probably going, we got ourselves in some tuna salad this time.
Yeah. Oh, almost don't count in fishing.
Just in hand grenades. They say in hand grenades and what else, but what's the saying?
I don't know. I know what you're talking about.
It's gonna be good on there, but what's the saying? We got to come up with it. Horseshoes and hand grenades.
Almost is Yep, horseshoes and hand grenades.
They're really
Got him.
just hand grenades.
That's a good one. Easy, little feller. Calm down.
I heard something splash up there. You got somebody's meat. Yeah, look, there's a wave.
Yep, they're mad. That one's pretty good size, guys. They're starting to get bigger. All right. Love it. I need to put a little more water in there. Look. Much better. There we go. Was that 5? Figured I'd better get me a drink before I cast it back out because they're hitting quicker than I can get me a drink. Oh, got him. Number 6. Oh, that one's a little one.
Yeah, it's a female in our fish story of the day. Right now, that was his woman.
Yep.
And the other ones was like, no, Barbara, no. She's like, I gotta be with him. I got to.
This is Barbara, and I just got her mate George a minute ago. It's all right, Barbara. You're gonna be right back with him.
Oh, George, I'm happy.
Thank God I got you back.
Yeah, the waves have stopped some.
Come on, take it. Take it. You can do it. You can do it. Go, dog.
There's something coming this way.
I hear it. I get it. No. I didn't bring my 38 because I got a DJ. But I never realized how close this creek is to that house right there, though.
Yeah, there's both houses.
Yeah.
It's just this one spot right here. It's probably nice to live in.
I bet
It looks
would.
like freaking Shirley's almost.
Kind of does, but we're not that far back.
No, theirs is high up on that bank just
Yeah.
because it's beside your house.
Beside Mom's.
Yeah.
Come on.
But that's how it looks.
I get it. Grr. Oh, rip the plumb out of the map. God, D, you alright?
No, I looked. I'm a curious one.
I know it.
Curiosity kills cancer. Obviously, that was the biggest bear in the woods.
Got him. Oh, that one's a good one. Pretty good size. All right. Number 7. All right, guys. Getting us some good minnows for our bait. Heck yeah. Oh, I had him and he let go. Little buck munching fish. You all are being brats. Big brats today. Come on. Pulling out his mouth again, trying to take my worm. Won't he let me catch it? It's exactly what I was trying to do.
That's awesome.
What the heck?
And it's hitting like crazy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's crazy. I don't know what it is about this spot. Daddy. Aww. Give it her. Give it to me. Look at there, guys. Ain't it so cute? The fishy. Is it 8? 8 on the same little piece of worm. Can't beat that. Still got a piece left.
This bait saver spot here.
Yeah. I'm gonna buy me some new pants.
So everybody, like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe, comment down below.
P.O. Box, Sense Pants, or whatever your P.O. Box number is. I don't even know.
P.O. Box number is 251 Mount Sterling, Kentucky 40353.
She's just starting out. But she loves to fish, doing it for fun.
That's right. I love
Cheers.
catching the little ones as much as I do the big ones.
She just works all the time.
I do.
Takes care of thousands of babies.
I do that too. This is my me time.
Yeah.
I love it. Ah, I jerked it from out of his mouth. I get so excited and just jerk them out real quick.
Just yank it. You know, that's their thing. They love watching the line, which I like watching the line too. You know, and I love at nighttime, you know, which I have a hard time seeing. I like doing it with the light. I'll shine lights right on it.
I gotta get me some Coleman lanterns.
You know, it does good. And I just like but a bobber, I just like, I don't know, it's almost like a game. You know how like kids are hooked on video games?
Yeah.
I just love watching that sucker hit, you know?
Yeah.
Like, yeah!
Figure I better change my worm. 8 fish.
Ever since I was little, man, the first time I watched my dad cast out.
Yeah, with the bobber, it is just.
And I seen
really
that
fun.
sucker it played with it. The first time I was like, what's going on? What is that? What's underneath the water there, Dad? You know, what is going on? I didn't know what it was.
Yeah.
You know, and then all of a sudden it hit down and he pulled out a big old catfish.
Yep.
I was like, God, look. And then I wanted to. And then they bought us a Smurf. He bought me 2 little poes. You know, and he bought Shannon a pole. It was, and I remember hers was, I believe, and he bought her 2 poles too, though. I believe it was like one of them was a Care Bear pole.
Yeah.
And it had, she smelled good, like strawberries and stuff. Well, you know what I'm talking
Strawberry
about?
shortcake?
Yes, that was her. The little head, the big round, it looked like a shower cap.
Yeah.
You know, the frenzy around it, the old. Yeah, and mine was a G.I. Joe pole, and the other one was, I just had the top of my head, forgot. Oh, a Smurf pole. Yeah. And I believe it was the Smurf pole that got me. I cast it out. Or it might have been the G.I. Joe. I don't know, but it was the very first time I cast it out. I hooked myself in the back of my head. Right here, Nick. Right there.
God.
But you know, I loved fishing ever since, though. I unhooked that, you know, and my dad helped me. I cast it out, and I loved it ever since.
I tell you what, it's on one of my very first videos, probably like my 6th or 7th. I was up at Rainy Creek, and I got hung on a limb or something. I went to jerk it out, and it stuck me right there. Like, you could see me. You couldn't see me actually, you know, getting it out of my forehead, but it stuck, and I had to get it out, and I was bleeding for a minute. I was talking about it on the video, too. It was so funny.
Oh.
Couldn't believe I done that. But yeah, I can, because it's me.
Yeah, I can. I've seen you hurt yourself in weird ways.
I know.
And so many times and repeatedly in that weird way, like, ow, 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 ow. Like, what? My God.
Yeah.
Like,
Clumsy, I don't even think it's the word for it. Why are you not biting on my worm anymore?
Because you moved out of the sun.
I guess so. Dang the bad luck.
Or you went back to sleep.
Come on. You know you want it.
Yeah, but somebody could be watching. I heard them open.
I know, I did too. Alright guys, that's the end of our creek fishing video for today. We come down and caught 8 minnows. That's what the plan was to catch some bait. So we at least accomplished it. Yeah, I had fun doing it. I would still love to know what run down and stopped and then never did hear it leave again, but oh well. Crazy. It's just crazy down here. But anyway, we'll be going to the river tomorrow, so I will see you all then. Make sure you like, subscribe, and tell all your buddies about me. Don't forget about my pontoon giveaway on my 1,000th subscribers, so let's get them up there. All right, I love you all. See y'all next time. Peace.